Hello friend, welcome to you on Lamror Academy. I am Rajendra Lamror. I am telling about the decision making operator in C programming. Mainly the decision making, why we are using decision making or how to use. Maximum of all programs we are using the decision making operator. Decision making operator we are required to program. Programmer want to run the specific part of the code sometime or sometime another specific part or sometime another specific part, so we need to use the decision making. So we make a decision which part is done first, which part is done not. This one on the condition of true and false, whatever we written in the condition. So generally the type of decision making is 5 types, but in general is only 2 types. One is if else or another is switch type. So if statement, how is working in decision making. If we written if and some boolean expressions written here, less than, this one is less than this one is greater than this one, whatever the condition is written here. If the condition is true, then whatever you written between the brackets, they are run in this time. Or if you have only single line, then no need to put the bracket, simply you write if and below just you write condition. Simple line, it will work. Okay. If you have 2 types, if condition is true, then run this part. If condition is false, then running in this part. Then we are using if else statement. Okay. Sometimes we need to run nested if else. If you want, if the condition is true, then you make another condition. This condition also be true, then make another condition. One if inside another if, one if another inside another if. So this process is going continuously. That process is called a nested if else. Means using many if and else one inside another one. Okay. Same way we are switch statement. But why we are using switch or if both? If you have many condition if, then it need to write many of the codes. So your number of line of codes will be increase and program will be slow, because we need to check many conditions. So because of that reason we came with a new switch statement. So it will be reduce your complexity as well as time complexity. Okay. So switch statement, how to working is just whatever you written if, here we writing switch, or we writing here integer or character value. So whatever we passing, then we writing the case, many case. So whatever case will match, this part will be run. End of the case we putting the break keyword, because only one case will be run, then came outside the case statement. If you do not put the break, then run all the below cases. So I will show you the example of next tutorial how to use the switch case statement. Or in nested switch we are using if one switch is completed, inside the write another switch. If that case will be event, in that case also writing another switch. So this we call a nested switch. Okay. In the if else alternative we have a ternary operator. This will also we can use. Simply putting include stdio.h, or they are writing the simple program. So I will showing you how to this program is working. The ternary operator we are putting some conditions initially. If the condition is true, then we are running the between the question mark and colon, whatever we have written between. Or if the condition is false, then we run between the colon and semicolon, whatever we have written. This is a process in working of ternary operator. So I am showing the one example. So here I have taken a equal to 5 and j equal to 8. Okay. So if I is greater than j, means the condition is false. If condition is false, then program will be run only for colon and semicolon between part this one. So if I running this program, so you can see the output is j equal to 8. This program is running. If I make this condition is true, means if I am making I is less than j, condition is true. So this time the program will run only this part between question mark and colon, or it will show I equal to 5. So you can see here output is I equal to 5. So it is true. So thank you friends. If you have any doubt still, comment below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you friends.